Students, today we will start next part of this quadratic equation, nature of roots of a quadratic equation. We already see x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And our standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now see the first point. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus under root 0 upon 2a equal to, here first we take plus 0 and then we take minus 0. So this is the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Why equal? Because the value of x become same. Now second point, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First we take minus b here plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and then x equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. This value of x is not equal. See the third point, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then minus x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are not real numbers. The roots of quadratic equation are not real because value of x become a minus. So roots are not real. Now nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by this value b square minus 4ac. So this value we called as a discriminant of a quadratic equation, and that denoted by a delta. Now we see the activity, fill in the blanks, value of discriminant. See the activity in your textbook, page number 44. Value of discriminant given here 50 minus 30 0. So we write here nature of roots. Here value of discriminant 50. So this is the greater than 0. So roots are real and unequal. Here minus 30. So value become a less than 0. So roots are not real. And here value of discriminant 0. So roots are real and equal. Now we see the next part of this topic, that is the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation as x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta means add this. First we take plus and here we take minus. Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Add these two. Here the denominator same. So add me these two. So plus under root this and minus under root this become cancel. Minus b 2b. And we write here sign minus. So 2b upon 2a, 2 cancel. So minus b upon a. So value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Now we write here alpha into beta. So here first we write plus and here minus. So multiplication this. So minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. 2a into 2a is 4a square. So this is the a plus b and this is the a minus b. So formula become a square minus b square. So minus b square minus b, b square plus, and here square root remove. So minus b square minus 4ac and 4a square. So here multiply, open the bracket, plus b square minus b square cancel and minus 4ac. Minus minus plus. So we form here 4ac upon 4a. 4 cancel, a cancel, we form c upon a. So alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. So see the activity. Fill in the empty boxes below the properly for 10x square plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the value of alpha plus beta? That is the minus b upon a. So b become here 10 and a is also 10. So minus 10 upon 10 is equal to minus 1. So we write here minus 1. And alpha into beta value becomes c upon a. C become a 1 and a is 10. So 1 upon 10. So alpha into beta is 1 upon 10. Now see the next part. Now to obtain a quadratic equation having given roots. Now alpha and beta are the roots of this equation where here become x. So first we take x equal to alpha and then we take x equal to beta. Alpha here plus, that is this side minus, beta also minus. So multiply these two bracket, alpha x minus alpha and x minus beta. So multiply these two brackets, we form equation x square minus in the bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. When two roots of the equation are in the quadratic equation can be obtained, we form as x square minus addition of this root and product of these roots. So first we see the activity first. Write the quadratic equation or if addition of roots is 10 and product of the root 9. So x square minus addition is a 10. So we write here 10x and product we write alpha into beta, write here 9. So x square minus 10x plus 9 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now next activity, what will be the quadratic equation if alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to 5. So we write here x square, alpha plus beta means 2 plus 5 and alpha into beta means 2 into 5. So alpha plus 2 plus 5 7x and 2 into 5 10 and here coefficient of x square become 1. So we write here 1, here write here 7 and here 10. So if this equation is multiplied by any non-zero number, the roots of the equation are not changed because we multiply this side also and this side also. Now we see the next. Now this is the summary of this part. If alpha and beta roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. One change here only, here the plus sign and here the minus sign. And value of alpha plus beta minus b upon a and value of alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now nature of the roots of quadratic equation depend the value of this discriminant. So first delta is equal to when 0, then that value become a real and equal. Delta greater than 0, that value become a real and unequal. And delta less than 0, that roots are not real. And this is our quadratic equation when roots are alpha and beta. That is the x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Now we see the practice set 2.5, the first question. Now see the practice set 2.5, first question, activity. Fill in the gap and complete. See the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Value of discriminant b square minus 4 is equal to 5. So this is 5 the greater than 0. So these roots are real and unequal. And b square minus 4 is equal to minus 5. So this is the less than 0. So roots are not real. Now sum of the roots minus 7 and product of the root 5. So we form the equation x square. This is the equation in this x square minus plus 7x plus alpha into beta 5. So x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now see the third. If alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation, 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So write the value of alpha plus beta. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. So b become here 4 and a become a 2. So minus 4 minus upon 2. So minus plus. So 4 upon 2 become a 2. Then alpha into beta, the value of alpha into beta is c upon a. C become a minus 3 and a is a 2. So minus 3 upon 2 is the value of alpha into beta. Students, we already start practice set 2.5. Now we see the question number 2. Find the value of discriminant for the following quadratic equation. See the first equation, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So compare with this equation our standard form. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now what is the value of a? Here coefficient become a 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 1. Now first we find out the value of discriminant. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is our discriminant. So b, value of b is 7. So 7 square minus 4 into value of a 1 and value of c minus 1. So 7 square 49. So minus 4 and minus 1 multiply, minus minus plus 4 into 1 4. So 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So value of this discriminant is 53. So delta is equal to 53. Now see the next third equation. Under root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. This equation also compare with the standard form. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now what is the value of a? Here root 2. What is the value of b? Is 4 and value of c is equal to 2 under root 2. So first we find out the value of discriminant. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now first we find out the value of this discriminant. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. So value of b is equal to 4. 4 square minus 4 into value of a root 2 and value of c 2 under root 2. So 4 square 16 minus 4 into 2 8 and here root 2 into root 2. So 16 minus 8 root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 16 minus 8 into 2 16. So 16 minus 16 0. So value of delta become 0. Now we see the question number 3rd. Determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. See the first equation, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this equation first compare with the standard form. So compare with our standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So value of a is equal to here coefficient 1. So 1, value of b is equal to minus 4 and value of c is equal to 4. Now first we find out the value of discriminant. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, b is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 whole square, 4 into value of a 1 and value of c 4. So minus 4 square be 16 and minus 4 into 4, 4 into 4 16. So minus 16. So delta is equal to 0. So here the roots are real and equal. So therefore we write here roots are real and equal. Now we see the next example, third. So m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. This equation also compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So value of a is equal to 1. So coefficient of m square 1. b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. First we find out the value of this discriminant. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So value of b 2. So 2 square minus 4 into value of a become 1 and c 9. So 2 square 4 and minus 4 into 9, that is the 36. So 4 plus 4 and minus 36, so minus 32. Here value of delta less than 0. So value of delta is negative. So these roots are not real. So the roots are not real. Now we start question number 4. Form the quadratic equation if the roots are given. So first, roots are 0 and 4. Now let me take alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. So this is the value of alpha and beta. Now our quadratic equation, this is our required quadratic equation. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Now put the value of this in equation. X square minus alpha means 0 plus beta means 4x, and alpha into beta 0 into 4 is equal to 0. So x square minus 0 plus 4, 4x, and 0 into 4, that is 0. So value of this 0. So x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is our required equation. Now next root are 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. So let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Our required equation, that is quadratic equation, is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now what is the alpha plus beta? So alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 cancel. So value of alpha plus beta is 0. And alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 is minus 1 upon 4. So substitute the value in this equation. So x square minus alpha plus beta means 0x. And here alpha into beta minus 1 upon. So minus 1 upon 4. So x square, here 0x. So that is cancelled. Minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. So this is our equation. Now see the next example number 5. 2 minus under root 5. This is one of the root and another 2 plus under root 5. So let alpha is equal to 2 minus under root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus under root 5. Now first we form, that is alpha plus beta. So here 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus under root 5. So plus 5 and under root 5 and minus under root 5 cancel. 2 plus 2, 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Now we find out alpha into beta. So 2 minus under root 5 and 2 plus under root 5. So this is the a minus b and a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 5 whole square. 2 square 4 minus and under root 5 square 5. So 4 minus 5 minus 1. So this is the value of alpha into beta. Now put this value in our required equation. So quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 4. So 4x, and here alpha into beta minus 1. So minus 1. So this is our required equation. Now we see the question number 7 in practice set 2.5. Find the value of k if the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal means delta is equal to 0. Now see the first equation, 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Compare this equation, our standard form. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now value of a is equal to 3. Value of b is equal to k and value of c is equal to 12. So first we find out the value of discriminant. Means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So value of b, k, so k square minus 4 into value of a 3 and value of c 12. So here k square minus 4 into 3 12. 12 into 12 144. So these roots are real and equal. So we write here the roots are real and equal. Therefore delta is equal to 0. Therefore k square minus 144 equal to 0. So k square is equal to 144. Taking square root both sides, k is equal to plus minus 12. So now we take first k plus 12 or we take k minus 12 is equal to 0. So k plus 12 equal to 0, k equal to minus 12 and k minus 12 equal to 0. So k equal to 12. So value of k value of k is 12 or minus 12. Now see the next example. Kx in the bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First we multiply this kx to the bracket. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now this equation compare with our standard form. So compare with ax square plus bx plus 6 equal to 0. So value of a in this equation is k and value of b 2k minus 2k and value of c is equal to 6. So this is our value. Now first we find out value of discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So value of b minus 2k. So minus 2k whole square minus 4 into value of a become a k and value of c 6. So minus 2k square. So 2k square 4. So minus minus plus. So 4k square and minus here 4 into 6. So value of is 24. So 24k. So here also the roots are real and equal. So we write here the roots are real and equal. Therefore delta is equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Now in this equation 4k we take a common. So 4k, so k remain minus. Here 6 is equal to 0. So 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Here k multiply, that side divides. So 0 upon 4. So k is equal to 0. Now here k is equal to 6 here minus, that side plus. So value of k 0 and 6. But this k equal to 0 is unacceptable because if k in the equation, put in this equation, the value of this equation become a 0. Here this value become a and our condition that a not equal to 0. So this is not acceptable. Therefore the value of equation is only 6.